Good morning everyone. Welcome back to our online class learning. How are you today? I hope you are fine and I am fine too. Everybody, did you do your homework for your teacher? Excellent. So if you do, don't forget to submit your homework to your teacher in order to get the score. What day is it today? You are right, today is Tuesday, September 8, 2020. So based on our schedule, what we are going to learn on Tuesday? You are right, in the first session we are going to study the listening starter 1, and in the second session we will learn the hangout 1, okay? So as you can see, there are two blocks for our first section, listening starter 1. For the first one, I want to review about the vocabulary that we have learned. How many vocabulary did we learn yesterday? Great, there are 6, right? There are 6. So the first one, river, okay? River, repeat after me. River, good. River spell R-I-V-E-R. River, okay? Another one, fishing, okay? F-I-S-H-I-N-G. Fishing. Do you like fishing? For me, I love fishing, okay? Another one, bicycle, B-I-C-Y-C-L-E, bicycle, okay? Mountain, M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N, mountain. Skiing, S-K-I-I-N-G, skiing, okay? Hiking, H-I-K-I-N-G, hiking. So now we have review about the 6 vocabulary that we have learned yesterday. Okay, so here the word board, no, not now. It is for the section C only because I don't have enough space. That's why I write it here. Okay, so as you can see here today, we will focus on Unit 8. Weekends are fun. Weekends are fun. Listening practice 1 on page 53. So first of all, I would like you to take this book out, okay, listening starter 1, and turn to page 53 all together. Okay, here we are. So for section A, listen and circle the word you hear. A, listen and circle the word you hear. Track 80. So there are 3 sentences here, okay, 3 sentences here. And for number 1, number 2, and number 3, for each sentence, there are 2 choices, okay, there are 2 choices. So now let me read the full sentence for all of you first. For number 1, last weekend or night was a lot of fun. Number 2, what did or do you do? Number 3, I did or went to my friend's house for lunch. Again, for number 1, last weekend or night was a lot of fun. Number 2, what did or do you do? Number 3, I did or went to my friend's house for lunch. So what I want you to do now is to read the whole 3 sentences here and try to understand first, okay? I give you 1 minute. Now you can pause my video. Welcome back everyone. After you read and try to remember these 3 sentences, it's time to listen to the track. I would like to play the track 80 for all of you. Are you ready? Now listen.
A. Listen and circle the word you hear. 1.
Last weekend was a lot of fun.
2. What did you do? 3.
I went to my friend's house for lunch.
Welcome back everyone. Now it's time to check the answer. Everyone, did you get all the correct answer for the first section and exercise number 1, number 2, and number 3 here? Good, so now let's check it out. For number 1, last weekend or night was a lot of fun. So what is the correct answer? Weekend or night? Excellent. So the correct answer is weekend. Last weekend was a lot of fun. And number 2, what did or do you do? What did or do you do? Yes, you're right. The correct answer is did. Okay, what did you do? What did you do? Number 3, I did or went to my friend's house for lunch. So which one is the correct answer? You are right. I went. I went. Okay, we cannot say I did too. Okay, we cannot say I did too. I went to my friend's house for lunch. So now let me read all the correct answer for all of you. Number 1, last weekend was a lot of fun. Number 2, what did you do? And number 3, I went to my friend's house for lunch. Okay, now we have done for our first section. So now let's move to another section. Section B, listen, write the letter that matches the picture track 81. Track 81. So as you can see here, we have first picture, okay, for number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so what I want you to do now is to listen to the track 81, and I will play it later. So are you ready? Good. So now listen.
B. Listen. Write the letter that matches the picture. A.
She went fishing last weekend.
B. They rode bicycles to the river. C.
They went skiing in the mountains.
D. I love hiking near the farm.
Welcome back everyone. Did you get all the letter that matches to these 4 number? Good. So for the first one, you can see, yes, 2 people are skating, right? Yes. And number 2, you can see a boy is hiking. And number 3, you can see a man is fishing. Okay. And number 4, you can see 2 people riding a bike. Okay. So now for number 1, what letter is it, everyone? For number 1, excellent. So number 1 is letter C. Letter C. Okay. How about number 2? Yes, excellent. Number 2 is letter D. Okay, letter D. How about number 3, everyone? Number 3. Good. Fishing, it matches to letter A. Okay, letter A. And the last one, homework. No, just kidding. Okay, for number 1 is letter B. Okay, A, B, C, and D. Okay, so now we have done another section, section B. We still have only one another section, section C for today's lesson. Okay, so for section C here, listen and fill in the blank. Listen and fill in the blanks on and it's track 82. Track 82. So first, I would like to read the conversation for all of you first, and you will spot where that we gonna put. Okay, and later I will explain you about the word box, because we need to use this word to complete the conversation here. For A, I went to the mall, blah blah blah. B, did you blah blah anything? A, yes, I bought blah blah blah. Want me to read it again? For letter A, I went to the mall. B, did you blah blah anything? A, yes, I bought blah blah blah. So everyone, I would like to explain you the word here, okay, in the word box, because you need to use this word to complete the conversation. Buy, do you know buy? Yes, to when you give something, okay, give the money to the seller and they give you the goods or the product, it is called buy. Okay, like example, I buy a new bicycle last night. Okay, get, okay, to take. Last weekend, yesterday, hiking clothes, a new bicycle, A new bicycle. Okay, again, buy, get, last weekend, yesterday, hiking clothes, a new bicycle. So everyone, what I want you to do now is to read the conversation, the whole conversation, and try to guess which word gonna put. Okay? So now I give you 1 minute. Now you can pause my video. Welcome back everyone. Now it's time to listen to the track 82. I would like to play it right now. Are you ready? Now listen.
C. Listen and fill in the blanks. I went to the mall last weekend.
Did you buy anything?
Yes, I bought a new bicycle.
Welcome back everyone. Did you get all the correct answer for this conversation? Excellent. So now let's check it out. I would like to read the whole sentence, okay? The whole sentence, and you just tell me the answer. For letter A, I went to the mall. When? When? Last weekend or yesterday? Because it is show you about the time expression, right? Only these two. Last weekend and yesterday. So which one? Very good. So number one is last weekend. Last weekend, okay? I went to the mall last weekend, okay? Letter B for number two. Did you get or did you buy? Very good. Did you buy anything? Did you buy anything? Yes, I bought what? Bought hiking clothes or a new bicycle, because there is only two here, the product, okay? You are right. A new bicycle. Okay, well done everyone. I hope you can get all the correct answer for these three exercise. Okay, so everyone, this is the end of our first session video. So I hope you like it, and if you have any question, please drop your question into the group. The teacher will respond to your question. Thank you for watching my video. See you in the second session video. Goodbye.